Hey everyone, here we explore tools and tricks to make your life easier, because when you work smart, you more often than not get better results than the person who works hard. Today, I'm gonna be diving into a game changer for all you savage shoppers out there, and it's called Serval Tracker. If you're tired of missing out on the best deals or wondering if that sale is really a steal, this video is for you. What is Serval Tracker? Serval Tracker is a fantastic website designed to track the prices of products on one of the biggest, if not the biggest, online marketplaces in South Africa, Takealot.com. It's your personal price watchdog, ensuring you never overpay for the things you love. Let me walk you through how it works. First, head over to servaltracker.com. No need to sign up or open an account. Then do your product search. Find the product on takealot.com. Copy the link to it and come back to Serval Tracker and paste that URL you copied in this section here. Serval Tracker will then display to you the history of this specific product's price fluctuations. It will show you the highest it's ever sold for and also the lowest, as well as every price point in between. This is provided that it's not a new listing though, and that it has been on takealot.com for some time. Now to set your desired price. Here's a game changer. Set the price you're willing to pay for that product and enter your email address here for the notification. Whether it's a tech gadget, fashion item, or anything in between, you decide what's a good deal for you, and Serval Tracker will do the rest. It's like having a personal assistant keeping an eye on prices for you. The magic happens when the price drops to your desired range. Serval Tracker will send you an email notification letting you know it's time to grab that deal. No more FOMO on discounts. So why is Serval Tracker a game changer? Let me break it down for you. Have you ever bought something on sale only to see a steeper discount later? With Serval Tracker, you can avoid impulsive buying by waiting for the price to hit your sweet spot. Second, you can stay informed. Stay in the loop without constantly checking prices. Let Serval Tracker do the heavy lifting so you can focus on other things. Third, save big on genuine sales. So don't be fooled by fake sales. Serval Tracker ensures you only make a purchase when the price is genuinely low, saving you money in the long run. And let's not forget the time it also saves you for not having to constantly check for that great price you want. So there you have it. Serval Tracker is your secret weapon for smart shopping on takealot.com. It's a fantastic way to save money and ensure you only buy when the deal is truly worth it. So start using Serval Tracker today as your Takealot companion and take control of your online shopping experience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips like this. Happy shopping everyone. Till next time, peace.